Okay.
Wooden sword size.
This is fucking nasty. It's good for you. Look at it. It's
Do me a favor and don't touch the table or the computer while it's not tradition.
Fucking nasty.
There's drinks on the table.
Can't handle it anymore. Ugh.
It's really gross, huh?
Yeah. If I had one of these, I'd be like... If I had a computer like this, I would talk to it all day long. It would be Anthony's sing-along blog. Every day, singing along. Anthony's sing-along blog. Yeah. Chikalaka. I'm learning to belly dance on my own. Oh.
I forgot Vera's mother's name.
Hey, all you ladies out there.
What's Vera's mother's name?
Stephanie. Check it. I got all my teeth.
Sure. Remember it?
I got a massive six-pack. My butt's nice. Firm. Ladies, you need this. No matter what you have and you think you have, you need this. My nose looks all fucked up. Weird angle. It's a weird angle. I'm beautiful.
Luckily for our purposes, I have a near infinite amount of hard drive space.
Shit.
Leave it on.
It's a lot heavier than the Tai Chi sword.
Is it?
We'll see if this style corresponds to the katana.
The katana?
Just be aware of what it takes to be gentle with that new weight.
Dude. I haven't done this in so long.
Yeah, I've been smelling it back here too. Does a dog live here?
No.
I've been smelling it ever since we got out here. Is there a dog shitting in your backyard, dude?
Oh no, cat shit. It's on modesty.
It's on you?
Yeah.
Well, don't scrape it across the middle of the field.
It's good now. It's a little cat crap.
Oh, it's just a little bit?
Just a little cat crap.
Okay.
Sorry, any amount of cat crap is too much for me.
I agree. That's okay.
Oh.
And no, what I'm smelling is not on him. What I'm smelling is prevalent in your backyard.
I think it's over there.
Yeah, it's probable.
Ready?
Wow, if I hadn't been, you probably would have just killed me. Ugh. That was close. damn reach.
And take his fingers off.
Yeah, you get me right there.
Good job. I was waiting for you to get that.
Oh. Whew. That's it's fucking.
Mind if I step in? Oh, okay.
Oh. Actually, you should probably.
No, it's good to do Demian too.
Ready? Yeah.
Sorry about this.
Oh, no, dude, that didn't hurt at all. Good, good.
Thank you.
Glad you have stamina. I don't love you for your skill. I love you for your stamina.
I have no skill. I have lots of stamina. Ah. Okay.
Little burr in the wood.
I really smell it too, a lot actually.
It's on you, that's why.
It's not just on him. You have something shitting in your backyard.
Well, he has two cats, free cats.
I'm just glad we got that repeated on the video.
Okay.
You've got something shitting in your backyard.
I don't have a
Sound
mic.
card.
It does.
No, it doesn't have a mic.
It does. When we were listening to the cafe, it has a mic.
Let's see.
You'll hear it. It doesn't matter. Let's go.